the Sangguniang Kabataan that some of you didn't realize. It's not about the budget. It's about the development of the country. How about the 10% of the budget of the barangay? And the effect of this will change a lot of the barangay. Crimes and other problems of the society are made by the youth because of the wrong influence of the other, like the government. Do you think the government is very great and they are good for their value for their voice, that they do nothing wrong? All of us will make some wrong in our life, but the youth can make and change our possibilities to a better future. One is now on the news. There are more rallies made by the youth, and some of the youth are engaging on the fraternities like APO, and they're shouting their voice to change some things like the policies of the school. They want low tuition fees. Do you think if Sangguniang Kabataan abolish, it will be happen again? There are a lot of rallies will be happen in the EDSA and other schools like PUP and the UP. They're engaging or maybe fraternity. Well, if they have the position of the government to make some change, there will be no rallies. There will be more ideas and development of the youth today. If the politics, on the first thing of the politics or the small, very small stage of politics is the youth. If there are no voice of the youth there will be no development, new development in the country, because the politics are senators, politicians. They will make change in the government. But how about us? How about our voice? If Sangguniang Kabataan is abolished, there will be no the chance of the youth to make some change. Every decision that we make every decision that we make in the politics will make something or great impact to our lives and to our community. I think that Sangguniang Kabataan, if abolished it, there will be no chance for us, and there will be no development for us. That's all. Thank you.